Now I'm going to show you how you can extract an object from an image. So in this pic we are going to extract her from here to here. So the most easy thing is how to do it is to edit the image in the quick mask mode. First open the image, right click, make a duplicate layer, click OK, hide the original one, zooming in a bit, then click on edit in quick mask mode. It's here, edit in quick mask mode. Go to the brush, opacity, make it to 100%, flow, make it to 100%. Now start clicking on her. Select her fully from top to bottom or the object which you want to extract. The selection should be very precise and accurate for better results. If you can't see the edges, you can just zoom in and then select. Okay. Selecting the hair. Okay, I selected a bit more here, but that's not a problem. Now she is almost fully selected. So I already told you, if you don't see the edges, suppose hand is there, I have made a bit more selection. So to not to do this, you have to zoom in and then select. Now what you have to do next is go back to the normal mode, that is edit in the standard mode. You can see right there, edit in standard mode. So when you click, now she is fully selected. When you click the selection, the object you just colored will be totally selected. Now press delete button from your keyboard. Now you can see the rest of the background is totally deleted. So next thing you can do is either you can drag her here or you can drag to the background of this one. Okay, I will show you how to do this. Just make the this tool from here, drag her up to here. Okay, it's because the difference in the size of the images that actress pic is more bigger. Okay, so you can drag like this and you can delete the remaining area. For this, increase the opacity a bit, flow a bit, and okay, increase the opacity to 100, flow to 100, start deleting. Hair can be deleted with because they don't affect much. So you can keep doing this till you get the desired result. When you will be selecting a smaller object, this here thing will not be there. Okay, so this is how you can extract the image. So if you go other way around, suppose let me delete this one. I will create a new one. Okay. Select the gradient tool. Select your desired color. Suppose I select pink. Okay. Now for perfect, you can also match the image sizes. It is 2560, it is 1920. Adjust the image size 2560 1920. Click OK. So this is now much bigger. Now drag this layer on this one. Okay, now you can see in the layers, this layer is above this one, so drag her at the bottom of it. Now you can see her. Okay, now you can see her right. So if the selection is very great, means that I already told you how I made the selection. I haven't zoomed in. So if you zoom in and make the selection right, these things will not be there. You can delete these things such like in the light color and the hand ones.